Okay, hello ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me today as we delve into the important topic of managing supply chain security. In today's interconnected business landscape, supply chain security has become a critical concern for organizations worldwide. The objective of this Chalk and Talk session is to highlight the methodologies, key results, and conclusions related to managing supply chain security effectively. And first, I will introduce about the methodologies. Uh, To effectively manage supply chain security, organizations employ a systematic and comprehensive approach. We begin by discussing the methodologies employed in the concept development stage, which plays a crucial role in understanding needs and exploring potential solutions. Stakeholder analysis, requirements gathering, and risk assessments are key methods used to capture and prioritize security needs. System engineering methods such as brainstorming sessions, trade off analysis, feasibility studies, system architecture design, functional analysis, and requirements specification are employed to develop robust security concepts. It is important to emphasize the significance of industry frameworks and standards such as the NIST Cybersecurity Framework and ISO Supply Chain Risk Management Guidelines, which provide guidance and best practices. And key results. Let's move on to the key results and insights obtained from the methodologies used in managing supply chain security. Through these methodologies, common challenges is in supply chain security, including data protection, data locality, data visibility, fraud prevention, and third-party risk, are identified and addressed. Real-world examples from IBM case study and industry resources demonstrate successful approaches and solutions. The application of the system engineering methods, such as trade off analysis, helps evaluate different security measures and make informed decisions. Okay, the key results highlight the effectiveness of a multifaceted approach in mitigating supply chain security risks and protecting critical assets. And the conclusions are based on the methodologies and key results. Um, a systematic and comprehensive approach in cooperating stakeholder engagement, risk, risk assessment, and adhe- adherence to industry frameworks and standards is crucial in managing supply chain security effectively. Continuous evaluation, adaptation, and improvements are essential to keep up with the evolving threat landscape. The methodologies presented today provide a foundation for developing robust supply chain security practices. By implementing these methodologies, organizations can enhance their resilience to supply chain security risks and protect their operations, reputation, and customer trust. And the whole architecture is first in the introduction, you can see supply chain security is a critical concern for organizations worldwide, as highlighted in the IBM case study. Increasing frequency and sophistication of supply chain attacks pose risks to operation continuity, financial stability, and brand reputation. This presentation aims to provide a comprehensive analysis of the usage of system engineering methods in managing supply chain security based on the IBM case study. Focus will be on methodologies, key results, and conclusions. The background is the IBM case study provides a contextual back, backdrop for understanding the importance of supply chain security and the implications of security breaches. Emphasis, Emphasis is the need for a multifaceted approach to supply chain security, considering complexity and interdependencies within supply chains. Real world examples and their impacts highlight the urgency of implementing robust security measures and adopting system engineering methods. And in the concept development stage, the concept it is crucial for understanding needs, exploring solutions, and defining concepts to address supply chain security challenges. The three key phases are needs analysis, concept exploration, and concept definition. The system engineering methods employed for systematic and comprehensive approach. First is the needs analysis, foundation for identifying and understanding specific requirements and objectives related to supply chain security. Challenges identified are the data protection, data locality, data visibility, fraud prevention, and third parties risk. Systems engineering methods are stakeholder analysis, requirements gathering, and risk assessment. The stakeholder interviews, surveys, and workshops for capturing and prioritizing needs effectively. The second is concept exploration part. Exploration for potential solutions and concepts for managing supply chain security. Systems engineering methods, including brainstorming sessions, trade off analysis, and feasibility studies. The objective is identify feasible solutions that effectively address challenges while considering factors like cost, time, technology, and regu- uh, regulatory requirements. The trade-off analysis and insights from industry resources for assessing advantages and disadvantages of various security measures. The third part is the concept definition. It focuses on refining chosen concept and developing comprehensive understanding of its components, functions, and interfaces. The system engineering methods include system architecture design, functional analysis, and requirements specification, establishing performance matrices and success criteria for evaluating effectiveness of proposed solution. System architecture design creates structured framework outlining relationships and dependencies among security components. Functional analysis defines specific functions each component should fulfill, aligning with needs and objectives. And the challenges in this case are the first is um, It highlights challenges associated with supply chain security and importance of employing systems engineering methods to overcome the challenges. It is the complexity and interdependencies, rapidly evolving threat landscapes, and compliance with regulations and standards. The usage of systems engineering methods in concept developments are system engineering methods crucial in addressing challenges highlighted in the case study. Methods employed are stakeholder analysis, risk assessment and management, system architecture design, requirements engineering, and trade off analysis. So the conclusions are below. Application of system engineering methods crucial in managing supply chain security. Stakeholder analysis, risk assessment and management, system architecture design, requirements engineering, and trade-off analysis enhance ability to address complexity and challenges. Structured and systematic approach to design and implements robust security measures. Employing systems engineering techniques during concept development stage mitigates security risks in supply chains. And that's all. Thank you for your attention.